What's going on, everyone? We're going to do some technical analysis on NVDA. I'm currently sitting long in a trade on NVDA. Got into this trade yesterday. I'm going to explain the reason why I got into this trade, what caused me not to sell off and sell out of my trade when we were selling off this morning, and what exactly I'm looking for and when I want to take some profit. So full disclaimer, I have already started to scale out my position. So I took 10 contracts of NVIDIA. I'm currently down to 4 remaining contracts. So I've sold a total of 6 contracts on this and made a nice little profit on that. Now, the reason being I took this trade yesterday, if we kind of look at the price action yesterday, we kind of came back down, tested that 50-day moving average. And if we look at the last 3 days here, we just been kind of building in this area over this upper channel line here. And that channel line is the linear regression channel 50. We are also over all of the short-term moving averages, the 5, 10, 20-day moving average. And we just recently, within the last 2 to 3 trading sessions, reclaimed that 50-day moving average. So this is all very, very bullish price action. Anytime you're trading supply and demand, you have to look at it like this. When a stock is ready to and actually confirms a level of supply, what's the next area of supply? That's normally what we're trying to target as far as price action. If that move fails or the stock doesn't necessarily get there, what are we looking for? If we do start to close below demand, what's the next level of demand? How much risk are you associating that trade with? Do you just want to get out, or do you want to give it that next demand zone? So that's kind of how we play it. My absolute stop on this would have been a close below the 20-day moving average. So today we did come down and we got very, very close. I started to think, maybe the run up is kind of over. Maybe, if we lose this 20-day moving average, we've definitely got potential to go all the way back down to 151, which is a 10-day moving average. I would have just gotten out of the trade, but we came down successfully, back tested that bulls, made a nice stand and pushed higher. Now, I'm always looking at daily candle closes every time I'm holding stocks overnight or deciding to take these short-term swing trades, and even kind of giving my bias for the day, right? So if we are oversupply, I'm not really looking to short stocks. If we are undersupply, I am looking to short stocks and not looking to play the bounces. That's just kind of how I trade. That's what goes along with my rules and my strategies and my setups. So right now, the reason why I took some profits off the table, we are coming into the 200-day moving average. If we just kind of go back in time, the last time we were over the 200-day moving average was in the middle of December, and it was very, very short-lived, meaning we gapped over the 200-day moving average. We traded above it for 2 days, but quickly lost it, gapped down, and then went on a month-long cycle, sell cycle down here all the way to a price of 138. So what I would like to see on these runners is, what do we do today? Does tomorrow's price action confirm the 20-day or the 200-day moving average? And if we do, if we can get a close over 167.25, and NVIDIA looks extremely, extremely bullish for Q1, and that's just something to kind of keep in mind. If we do get rejected and we start to go sideways for a week, and then we start to lose some of these demand zones and we start to get below them, then we know that obviously if we start to lose 150, then the next price target is going to be 145, and anything below 145 is testing those recent lows, and 134 and 134 to 121. That's kind of just the way you have to play it. You got to be a little bit more patient in this market, but you also have to be reactive in this market as well. So when something is doing what you already thought that it was going to do based on your homework and your technical analysis, you got to be able to jump on these trades in a timely manner without hesitating. The more times you hesitate and think that, well, maybe this stock's not going to go higher, maybe this I'm going to be wrong on my idea or wrong on the trade, you have an opportunity to lose money, because regardless if the trade you got into worked or it didn't work, you're still not making any money and you're still losing money in the end, right? Because you never took the trade. Now, some people may be thinking, well, if I never took the trade, I never lost any money, which is true. But if the trade does go in your favor, based on your technical analysis, well, then you did lose money because you would have been right on that move and you would have been able to make money along the way. I hope this video helps you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, if you guys want access to my strategies and access to one-on-one mentorship and coaching, make sure to go to evolutiontraders.com. Become a lifetime member. You're going to see all the information there on the homepage, and I will see you guys all in the next video.